Good day. Today I'm going to be discussing about operational and functional requirements, display of system, electronic navigational chart information and scale. Importance of sync display and scale is the accuracy of navigation, situation awareness, and decision making. The operational requirements. Clear and legible display. The color scheme must be must have day and night modes, customizable color palettes, the clarity of symbols, the readability of text, and automatic updates and manual updates should be present. User-friendly interface is the intuitive navigation like panning, zooming, and rotating, shortcut keys, and contextual menus. The scale must be adjustable, the minimum and maximum scale based on chart content and vessel size, the scale units like nautical miles and the knots, the automatic scale adjustment like speed-based scaling and course-based scaling. The scale indication, the scale bar should be present, the scale value should be present, and scale reference grid like grid lines and grid labels like numerical and numerical coordinates. The key requirements of MSC 530. The enhanced chart display, improve the clarity and accuracy of chart elements, support for different chart types and projections, integration of electronic navigational data service ends, advanced scale management, the dynamic scale adjustment based on vessel speed and course, accurate scale indication and reference grid, support for multiple scale units. The seamless updates, efficient download and integration of BNC updates, and real-time notification of chart validity. It also has to be user-friendly interface like intuitive navigation and controls, customizable settings and preferences, support for touchscreen devices. For additional information of the display of sync scale, the, the ENC should include the large scale, display of large scale, and display of ownership and the scale, and the warning of the operator if the scale does not include its own chip. And that is all for the presentation. Thank you for listening.